Feya ordered a computer online. When it was delivered, the keyboard was missing. Feya was so furious and immediately contacted the customer care of the company. "How do you expect me to work using a computer without a keyboard?" Feya questioned the customer care representative in anger. The lady apologized for the company error and promised to get the keyboard across to him the next day. Now, every part of a computer is important to its optimal performance. In literature, different parts come together to make a text. These parts are called literary elements. Just like the monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, and speaker make up a computer, literary elements are the different parts that make up a work of drama. These literary elements do not just make up a text, they make analyzing a text easy. Some of the literary elements that make up a work of drama are plot, setting, character, characterization, point of view, themes, mood. Now let's take a quick look at each of these elements. Plot. A plot is the sequence of events in a story. It is structured into 5 parts. The exposition. This is where the characters and the settings are introduced to the audience. Rising action. The tension in a story begins to build at the rising action. Climax. This is where questions that arose from the tension in the rising action get answered. Falling action. The falling action is the steaming down of the tension in a story, and then resolution or denouement. This is the ending of the story, and it wraps up all the events. Next up is the setting. The setting is the place and time the events in the story occur. The place could be a castle, a village, or under the sea. The time could be in the 16th century, during winter, or at night. Then we have characters. These are the humans, animals, plants, or objects that writers use in portraying their ideas. As we've learned, there are different types of characters: protagonist, antagonist, dynamic, static, foil, and stock characters. Characterization. Characterization is how the writer reveals the personality of the characters in the story. Did the writer use direct characterization by simply telling us the personality of the character? Like saying, Kweku is a gentle boy. Or did the writer reveal the personality through indirect characterization, leaving us the readers to uncover the character's personality ourselves? Kweku always sits calmly, disturbing no one. From the description of what Kweku does, we can deduce that Kweku is a gentle person without the writer saying it. Point of view, or POV. This is the perspective from which a story is told. A writer could narrate a story using first person, second person, or third person point of view. A first person POV uses the pronoun I and we. A second person point of view uses the pronoun you, while a third person point of view uses the character's name or the pronoun he or she. Then we come to themes. Themes are the main or central ideas in a story. A story's theme can be stated or implied. Stated themes are expressed by the writer in the story. Implied themes are discovered by the readers from the writer's detail of events in the story. Then we have mood. Mood is the emotional atmosphere writers create in their works. This mood, as we can see, is certainly tense. Writers create various emotional atmospheres through their choice of words to depict the different states in a story. Let me ask, Have you read a story without a plot, settings, characters, characterization, point of view, themes, or mood? Such stories definitely do not exist. Without literary elements, there would be no story to tell. In our subsequent lesson, we will look at other elements in drama. Bye for now, guys.